All right, y'all boys, this is the 2024 setup right over here. I'm gonna walk you guys through pretty much everything here, including how I got this custom made desk. And last but not least will be the PC in this special section. All right, so first things first, we have this black Ikea pegboard right here. I have my controllers hung up right here. Like, I have to figure out how to do this better, but for now it works. I have a black one here. AJ1, got a keyboard right here. This is actually, I think, one of my first ever like actual nice keyboards. I got it as a gift, but it just sadly does not work. I have a bunch of keycaps right here. Free Palestine, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you got to get some fake plants going on. These are basically my goals. Kind of turn this pegboard into like a vision board. So obviously my first goal is to pray, you know, all praise to God first and foremost. I'm supposed to be hitting the gym. All right, I haven't really done that. 100K on TikTok. I got 100K on YouTube, but we still working on the TikTok. Got some Air Jordans right here, you know what I'm saying? And here is where we have the sneaker collection. Obviously, you can tell that I'm a Yeezys fan, bro. Look at this. Look at this dude. Look at this, man. And then you got some Jordans down here, whatever. Got the air purifier here just for now. It's actually supposed to be a little bit out because if you put it too close, like, it's not gonna do a good job because there's not much air circulation. So moving on, we got this desk right over here. As you can see, these are actually not those Ikea drawers that everybody uses. These are actually much lower. This is the Ikea nightstand. So I actually took the nightstands because of the fact that they're so much lower, you know, ergonomically. I don't want to be putting my hands up like this playing the game. Come on now. And this is also a wood board I just got from, you know, the wood store. I had them cut it to the size. It's very cheap. It's so much cheaper than buying a desk, I would say, and it's actual good quality wood. And since they cut it for me, the extra pieces I actually put right here. And I have a video on how I built this on my TikTok. This thing is freaking long, bro. Not only that, but it's also very wide and it's reflective. That's because I actually put this film on it, which I need to freaking clean. And what's resting on the desk is my peripherals for the moment. I actually just got this high ground keyboard. It sounds pretty freaking nice, not gonna lie. I love it. The only thing that I don't love is that it doesn't have a volume knob, and I'm used to that because this Montech keyboard sounds basically just as nice. Not as nice, but pretty much just as nice. This has a volume knob, and I kind of just got used to it. My goodness. I kind of just got used to it, and I can't survive now with a keyboard without a freaking volume knob. Like, this is just so convenient. Anyways, moving on, we got the Razer Ultimate wireless mouse. I love this mouse. This is the dock for it to charge it. And of course, we got the monitor light bars right here. We have the 15 audio mixer and the 15 microphone and the 15 low profile boom arm, as well as this charging dock for my Apple Watch, iPhone, and my AirPods. And if you look a little bit up, you'll see my two monitors right now. This is my current monitors, but I do plan on upgrading. This is an ALC gaming monitor. This is like some random monitor I got from Facebook Marketplace. It was like 40 bucks. And before anybody asks me for the wallpaper, this is actually my custom wallpaper. I plan on making a bunch of custom wallpapers and having them for you guys to download. So stay tuned. Of course, I got the light bar right here. Oh, should have turned that on. That looks freaking nice. Moving on, we have the Razer speakers. I kind of want to upgrade to white speakers, but I'm gonna just keep those for now. Of course, we got some lights right here. This is actually a lamp from Walmart, and I just put LED bulbs here so I can say stuff like, "Hey Google, action." Boom. There you go. I also have some, I think Goovy or Goov light bars back here. What is it called? Whatever. Awesome. So moving on, we have this Ikea shelf up here. Currently, I just have some fake plants going on for decoration. I have some of my favorite colognes, my two favorite ones here and here. I have a bunch in these bags as well. And I'm still waiting on something to put here in the center. I was thinking of putting my YouTube play button or maybe like a DeVoom like pixel like art display. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so moving on, we got the PC right here. But before I show you the PC, this is the shoe collection. It's pretty much the exact same as the other side. It's just the other pair of shoe. Yeah. Anyways, so this is the PC right here. As you can see, it's a Montech King Pro. I also have a video on this. I freaking love this PC build. I love this case so much. It's very clear. Let me take this out for you guys. Oh crap. That just looks honestly amazing. And with a click of a button, bam, dang, that actually looks better. I know there's a lot of fans, but it's still very quiet. It runs really good. I have a 3090. I have a i9 9900K, 48 gigabytes of RAM, and that's pretty much all you guys care about. I am trying to do an all white build, so let me know which part I should swap out to white next. With that being said, this is actually my new camera. It's a Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma 16mm lens. I got this little Lego man right here. LED clock. You can't have a setup without this. And last but not least is this corner right here. This is the same pegboard as over here, but it's in white. I'm really thinking of swapping this one to white. I'm not gonna lie, but this is it right here. I have a couple keyboards. This is the first keyboard upgrade I've ever gotten. Listen to its Razer. Not gonna lie, I liked it in the beginning, but this is so much better. Okay, I did swap out the keycaps, as you can see here. This is a Game DS keyboard. That's how that sounds. This is the first ever free product I got while doing content creation, so this means a lot to me. It's from the Voom. Looks pretty nice. I just set it up right here. And not least, this is my prized possession right here. 100,000 subscribers. Oh my god, bro. Thank you guys so much. And with all of that being said, you can find pretty much everything in this setup down in the description below.